First is dinner.
Nice.
Where there's smoke, they pinch back.
Yo, what's up, Sonic Family Squad? It's me, Sonic the Hedgehog here, and welcome back to another reaction video. I know I have not done any reaction videos in a while because I've been doing gameplays just for you, squad, so you guys can just enjoy them at home. Because I have to make the best of the best content just for you, squad. No, I mean, squad. I have to do the best of the best content just for you folks at home. So today we're going to be reacting to Transformers 4 Age of Extinction Ratchet Death Scene IMAX HD. So credit to Hassan MDD for this video, and the link will also be in the description below. So you squad can go ahead and go check out the original video. So anyway, so without any further ado, let's go on ahead and be sure to grab your popcorn and make sure to grab your drinks. Because this is gonna be a good video. Alright, anyways, but enough talking, let's get into it. In 3, 2, 1, now. Here we go. We're going to turn it up for you, squad. Oh, wait, who is that? Is that the killer? Ratchet Death Scene? I think that's one of the Decepticons. Yeah, there has to be one of them. But they're using that, the Decepticons using heat sensing. Wow, I'm actually impressed.
Thanks for being nice and easy. Alright, what we got? Release the mini drones.
Oh, I guess they're gonna use the mini drones? I guess. Let's try those. Oh, so they just toss them up in midair. Wow. Oh. I wonder if I could have a drone like that. Well, I already have one, which is this one right here. I already have one. Yep, see, I already have a drone. Yep, I already have one.
Second stack, closest to the bow.
Uh-oh, I guess they're spawning an Autobot. That's why humans are always attacking the Autobots for no reason. Like, this is crazy, yo.
01, evil's moving.
Why can't they leave the Autobots alone? Why can't they just leave them alone? Why can't they leave the Autobots alone? I don't understand. Oh, the Decepticons is using the heat detecting. Wow, I mean that's a good feature. Self-driving cars need it. Oh, ow, dang. Oh, there's Ratchet. Oh, ay, that's not good. Oh, he's on the run. Come on, Ratchet, go. Oh, dang. Looks like he's getting hit so bad. Yeah, see? Why can't they just leave him alone? Oh, only one leg. Ay, that's not good. Oh, poor Ratchet. He never deserved it.
See, I've been injured.
He's a vehicle.
Medical officer Ratchet. I'm a friend.
This is going crazy.
Why are you running? Optimus sent this distress message calling all Autobots. We are under targeted attack. Cease all contact with humans. We're all hiding. All Autobots are being hunted. We're all in danger. I lost a sister in Chicago. Sympathy for me.
Uh-oh. What's that Decepticon gonna do? What? Oh! Dang! Dang! See, this is why I want to have an Autobot.
Oh, no. Please.
Ah, damn. Ay, ay. Please spin that like button for Ratchet.
He's mine now.
Uh-oh, the Decepticon is gonna go right out to Ratchet.
Decepticons, like little children, always fighting, making a mess out of the universe. Then I've got to clean it up. There is one way to survive. Tell me where he's hiding. Where is Optimus Prime?
Don't tell him, Ratchet, don't. Oh, no! Oh.
Never is here. I must say,
Wow, that's crazy. Wow. Alright, let me just stop the video right there. Alright, Sonic Family Squad. That's it for the video, or this reaction video. If you want to see more reaction videos just like this in the future, please don't forget to spin out the like button. Don't forget to subscribe with the bell on. Yeah, don't forget to leave some comments down below of what is your reaction to this video. I mean, look, Ratchet never deserved it. Ratchet never deserved this. Like, see, why can't people just leave people alone? Like, for real, yo. Alright, I'm going to go and end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to join members. The link will be in the description, too. And I'll be seeing you on the membership side. I'll be making videos for members and for non-members. Alright, that's it for the video. Until for next time, Hedgehog's out. Peace.
Hedgehog.